Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to create talking AI avatar on mobile. So if you want to know how it's done, then this video is for you. So what I can recommend you to do is to head over to your Play Store right here. Then from in there, just search in here for talking avatar with video quick. This is from NVIDIA AI. Then open that, and then in here, once you have installed it, click on create new right here. Once you have done that, you can actually add in here some photos of the character that you want. But they also have here some pre-built avatars that you can choose from. So for me, I choose in Sophia right here. And click on continue. Now from in here, you can also just narrate with voiceover, wherein you can record yourself voicing, or you can also generate or select voice with this one. So you can click on this generate right here. I prefer to do that. And in here, you can also upload. So in here, if you want, you can now head over to your browser, any browser that you have. And in here, let's just head over in here for 11labs.io. So in here, I have typed in here a script. I have chosen the voice. And then in here, this is what it looks like. So let's try to play it.
Hi, welcome to our channel. Subscribe for more.
So just click on this download icon right here in order to download that. So I already downloaded that, so just head over in here again to the app. Just click on upload right here, then click on files, then allow access to your file right here. Now from in here we can head over to the audio, and then we can head over to the download, and we have here the 11 labs. So click on it, and in here it will upload our video or our audio right here. So as you can see, it has been uploaded. So what we can do is we can just head over and upload that in here. So let's head over and close this. And from in there, you should be able to see that you can actually upload at least 5 minutes of speech sample because it should be the same person talking. You can also add multiple files. But since mine is already 10 seconds, that I can actually use that. So once you have uploaded your audio, you should be able to actually generate it from in here. So you can also select the built voices for you, like for example this Mitchell, and you can type in here your script. So you can try also a sample script that they have and click on generate right here. And then in here, you just need to choose which plan you want to use. Like for example, the entry, the standard, and pro. And once you have purchased a plan, you should be able to create a talking AI avatar in mobile. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.